As your brush wears over time, you can lower it down for maximum life. When the brush is completely worn out, it's time to replace it. To do this, the only tool you will need is the Moppet's onboard 5/32" Allen tool, located in the back right corner of the machine. With the Moppet on its back, use the onboard Allen tool to remove the 2 idle plate screws. Remove the idle plate and pull the old brush off the drive shaft. Slide the new brush onto the drive shaft. Replace the idle plate, making sure the hex shaft slips into the hex part of the brush. Replace and tighten the 2 idle plate screws. Stand the Moppet up and stow the onboard Allen tool for future use. If you've been routinely lowering the brush, to counter the effects of wear, you will need to reset the brush height when you install the new brush. Failure to do so will cause the motor to overheat and shut down. Please watch the routine maintenance video for more information on adjusting brush pressure. Give us a call at 1-800-290-2833 or email us at moppet@moppet.com if you have any servicing or other questions about your Moppet. Thanks for being a Moppet customer.